From here, the voice, you know what you do, you know. I represent for Top Black TV, Bodies TV worldwide. Top Black, big up yourself, you know what it is.
Greetings. Welcome back to the program. Welcome back to Top Black TV. If you're new to the channel, or the channel's new to you, please do like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to smash that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever Top Black TV drops another bomb. Hey, you ever go by Jamaican outset and you there I chill with them and next thing them start drop some liquor line and you say wait, I leave, the more I leave. But them now come out and tell you straight, say, well no, I've come to bed now, time to leave now in the morning. No, they rather drop word after word and beat around the bush. There are some people, I leave the room, go into the bathroom, and I say, boy, what am I take so long to come out? But guess what? I mean, they talk to themselves. I say, yo, boy, can't chat, eh? What a boy can't chat? You don't live nowhere? It's a working for a look. And then them come back out, and I beat around the bush same way. The problem with that, some people can't take her in. It's easy, you put on night already. Yeah. I will just start talk.
What a weird time can fly. It's 9 already.
Yeah, man.
Time to do my little Bible study and go on to bed. What time are your flight? I couldn't tell when last me up them hours yet. Well, should if in case anything, it is as cheap you go on a road now, you know, because them taxi man, they now run so late. Normally, I would have been in my bed already them time, you know, but I just cause I used it. Oh, what time you have for your watch? My God is good. We have a meeting 5 o'clock. Oh, at 6 o'clock now? Yeah, we have a meeting 6 o'clock.
What do you really try to say?
I can go change off in my judging clothes, yeah? Tell you my case and Gwaan now, you know, because the weatherman did say rain a go fall little later. The dirty driver, them where drive on the road, and just splash you and tape worm in the water, them two and the tape worm itch and pie. And next thing you go catch up all draft. I see your mole no cover, because the hairstyle will have. I don't look like mommy, call me. Yeah, mommy. Alright, later, yeah.
Top Black TV. Get mad now.